Help up, meaning to aid someone in standing up or getting up. I helped him up after he fell. Can you help me up from this chair? Help over, meaning to assist in overcoming an obstacle or challenge. I'll help you over the wall. Let's help the team over this tough period. Help through, meaning to provide support or assistance during a difficult situation. Friends helped me through the tough time after my breakup. We'll help you through this project until completion. We'll help you through this project until completion. Help with, to provide assistance or aid in a specific task or activity. I can help you with your homework. She helped me with the presentation slides. Help off, meaning to assist someone in getting off or down from something. Let me help you off the stage. I helped the old lady off the bus. I helped the old lady off the bus. Help down, meaning to assist someone in moving from a higher place to a lower place. I'll help you down the stairs. Could you help me down from this high shelf? Help around, meaning to assist or contribute in various tasks or duties. He helps around the house without being asked. Can you help around the office today? Can you help around the office today? Help into, meaning to assist someone in putting on clothing or getting into something. I helped him into his coat. Can you help me into this dress? Help on, meaning to aid or assist with something. Can you help me on this math problem? The instructions will help you on your journey. The instructions will help you on your journey. Help for, meaning to contribute or work towards a specific cause or purpose. I'm helping for a better world by volunteering. They helped for a good cause by donating to charity. Help along, meaning to facilitate progress or advancement. Extra practice sessions will help along your learning. A small loan can help someone along until they find a job. Help behind, meaning to contribute or assist quietly or without drawing attention. I don't want to help behind in my studies. They helped behind the scenes to make the event successful. Help for. Meaning, to aid in progress or advancement. The mentor helped forward my career. Her encouragement helped forward the project. Help oneself too. Meaning, to take something for oneself without asking permission. Please help yourself to some snacks. They help themselves to the buffet without waiting for others. Help out. Meaning, to assist someone or contribute aid. Can you help out with the cooking tonight? Neighbors always help out when there's a need. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.